Hey guys, what's going on? Cadena here. I'm excited. We just found this amazing location and we're about to use maybe a 2-light setup depending on my available light situation. Victoria is our model. She'll be here shortly. And I'm gonna take advantage of using my speed lights. I'm using an Octa M and I'm probably gonna maybe use the 1x3 switch box as well. One of the benefits of these switch boxes, you can use a strobe or a speed light. All you need is an insert. So we'll see how it goes. So guys, we just wrapped up the shot. It was amazing. So we ended up using 2 switch boxes. We ended up using the Octa M, camera left, 90-degree angle from Victoria, our model. And for the settings out there, I use shutter speed 200 at 5.6.5, and I shot ISO 800. And the reason why I shot ISO 800 because A, I had a lot of coffee this morning, so I wanted my shutter speed to be really fast. That's one. 2, my camera for the EOS R, I could push the ISO. So again, it all depends on what you want to shoot at. It's all personal taste. So for me, that's what worked for me at the very moment in time. Camera right, 45-degree angle from Victoria from the back. I use a 1x3 softbox, and we ended up rolling the diffuser a little bit because I wanted to have a little bit more of a kick from the bottom because her dress was a little bit darker than her face. So I wanted a little bit more light. So if you don't have an extra softboxes, that's what you could do. That's one of the tips I usually do on location. So another tip that I pretty much do on every shoot is once I have my exposure, my lighting how I want it, and I usually just work around the lights. So what I mean by that is I take a few steps to the left, a few steps to the right, and I'll see different angles. I'll purposely shoot low, I shoot high, and I'll look at different perspectives. Also, it also helps depending on the lens you're using. So instead of moving things around, because now by you moving the lights, you're changing your exposure. By you doing that, especially when you're time restricted, it doesn't make any sense. Guys, thanks for watching. Comment below. Let me know what's your favorite image.